How to fix Airtel network problem on Samsung S21 FE. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you that how you can fix your network problem on Samsung S21 FE phone. But before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to receive all the latest update. Now let's begin. So guys, I'll give you 4 to 5 solutions which will definitely help you to fix your problem. Like if you are not getting the enough network, or if the network is not showing on your phone, or even like you have a bad network, you have a poor network on your phone, then I'll help you to fix your problem. Okay, so now see, as you can see, I have a very good network on my Samsung S21 FE phone, as you can see. So my primary number is Airtel, and my secondary number is Geo. But let's go and then check. So first thing that you have to do in order to fix this problem is to go to your mobile settings and then search for the network. Okay, mobile network. Go to the mobile network, or if you do not have, okay, yes, you can go to by searching on the search bar, or go to the connection, and then here you have the mobile network. Now what you have to do is, the very first thing that you have to do is, like sometimes we do not get the proper network because the selected 3G, 4G, 5G is not available in the network, and because of that we do not get the enough network. So in that case, what you have to do is just change the network from 3G to 5G, and or you can just downgrade the network, like from 5G to 3G, or 3G only, 2G only, or LTE only. Just change the network, switch the network, and then again switch it back. Okay, and then again switch it back. So again switch it back, and then check whether your network is working or not. If your network is working, that's great. If your network is not working, then in that case you have to go to your mobile settings again, and then go to reset. As you can see, you have the option of reset all settings. Now you have many different settings: reset all settings, reset network setting, reset accessibility settings. Go to the network settings. So here you have to select the sim 1 or sim 2. If you are not getting the network on sim 1, then you have to select sim 1, or if you are not getting the network on the sim 2, then you have to select the sim 2. Now let's select the sim 1 and then reset all the settings. Now you have to draw your pattern and then reset the settings. So now my settings are reset. The network setting reset. So my network setting is reset now. And then go back and then go to the reset all settings. As you can see, even after doing the reset network setting, you are still facing the problem on your network. Then what you have to do is go to the reset all settings. Now here see security settings, language settings, accounts, personal data setting for downloaded apps. Now see, most of the time what happens is, if we have a bad settings, we have a defect settings on some of our app, then even that thing will affect our network. So in that case, you have to reset all your settings, like your security, language, account, personal data settings for your downloaded apps, each and everything. So here you have to click on the reset all settings, and then draw your pattern, and then click on the reset, and then all your entire settings will be reset, and then you will get that default setting that you get while buying your new phone. So this is how you can fix the problem. And after doing the reset all settings, you will see that your problem is fixed. Now if you are still facing the problem, then the last option is that go to your software, like go to about phone. Let's go to the software update, as you can see here. So click on the download and install. As you can see, I have an update. So sometimes because of not updating our software, we face many different issues on our network. So in order to improve, or in order to fix your problem, network problem, you have to download and then install the latest software. Okay, so now these are the settings that you can do to fix your network problem. But even if you are getting even if you are getting the problem or you are not getting the network, even after doing all the settings, then what I suggest you is go, like you might not have a good network in your phone, you can ask your other friends in your area if they are facing the same problem. Then the company, the telecom company might have the technical issues, and all the consumers of that telecom company are facing the same problem. And that's not only you, you can ask, check on your friends. But if your friends have a good network and you do not have a good network, then what you can do is go to the telecom company, go to your telecom company, and then complain them, tell them that you are facing the issue on your phone. They will do the settings on your phone. You might, like, it could be possible that you might have an internal problem on your software or your hardware. That is also possible, so you can go and check to the technician. So this is how you can fix the problem. I hope this video definitely helps you. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, bye bye, take care.